In Mechanics 1, you can be asked to do several different types of graphs, one of them being distance time graph. Here is a question that asks us to draw a distance time graph. Now, it says start at 90 kilometres from the start. So at 90 kilometres from the start, put a little dot. It says you travel 60 kilometres towards the start in 30 minutes. Now, you're travelling 60 kilometres and you're at 90, so you're going back 60. So you're going to 30 kilometres in 30 minutes. Next, it says travel at 120 kilometres per hour for 30 minutes. Well, that means you travel 120 kilometres in 1 hour. So in half an hour, 30 minutes, you travel half the distance. So it's 60 kilometres. So from 30, you're going 60 kilometres away. So you're going back up to 90, but you're going to be at 60 minutes because another 30 minutes have passed. Now, it says you rest for 15 minutes, which means you don't go anywhere. It means you stay the same distance away from the start for 15 minutes. So there we go. And then finally, you travel 60 kilometres away from the start for 15 minutes. So away from the start, well, we're at 90, so 60 more is 150. Okay, so we've got our points now, so now all we need to do is just join them up with a neat line. So there we go. There's our distance time graph. Now, looking at this distance time graph, we can tell a couple of things. We can tell that in this last section here, we travel the fastest. The reason I can tell this is because it's the steepest line. We can also find, if we wanted to, the speed by doing the distance, which is 60 divided by the time 15. So that actually means we're going 60 kilometres in 15 minutes, 60 kilometres in 15 minutes. So in an hour, which is 60 minutes, we must be going 4 times that. So we're going at 240 kilometres in 1 hour. So that's quite a speed.